What's up, kids? Technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I do have a case from VRS Design. I picked this up off of Amazon. I will drop the link in the description. And this is for my Google Pixel Fold. This is the Simple Fit clear case. So you do get sticker strips for the inside to make it stay. I'm probably not going to use these because I probably will be switching cases a lot, but pretty much this just shows you how you can put the strips, the adhesive strips, on the inside of your case. Hopefully I don't have to do that. This is the back. It comes with Hinge Protection. This is the front, as you can see here. So now we're just going to place the front on like so. I already do have screen protector on there, so that's good. Just gonna push it down on there like so. This is how the front will look with the case on the front. And then I'm gonna put the back in like so. Let's see here. And I do like that this case has hinge protection, because some cases do not have hinge protection. It says VRS Design. At the top here, like I said, you do get nice protection. So if you lay your Google Pixel Fold flat down on the table, you should be good to go. You get all your cutouts. You get a nice opening for your volume up and down button and your power button, which doubles as your fingerprint scanner. Down here you get all the cutouts at the bottom that you would need for charging. And on the back here you get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone down flat down on the table, it should be good to go. And then you also get nice protection for that hinge, so your hinge does not get too nasty or grimy. And then when you open it up, you do get a nice little lip. It's not too big, but I would not place this device flat down on the table open. So I'd probably place it like this, but it's not gonna lay flat because it's in a case. But it does look and feel good. I feel like they did a nice job on this case. But remember, this hinge is in the way, so it's not gonna lay flat on the table. But you can close it and it will lay flat if you close it. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. I really do like this. So straight come and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.